Hi guys, this is Mike. Welcome to my channel 369 Unboxing. Today I have Marshall Emberton Bluetooth speaker. So what's in the box? One Bluetooth speaker, one Type-C cable, user manual, and some legal and safety information. Okay, Type-C cable. These are some papers, user manual, legal and safety information. Okay. Wow, what a speaker. What a nice speaker. Look, the silicone exterior. Wow, the silicone exterior and the solid metal grill. Wow, looks so nice. And look, the logo of the Marshall. Iconic Marshall script adorn the front of the speaker. Wow, so beautiful. So this is Bluetooth button, and this is multi-functional control knob. Press for 2 seconds to turn on and off, up for volume up, down for volume down, right for forward, and back for reverse. So this is indicator, 10 segment battery indicator. Okay, nice, so nice. So this is extremely durable and easy to use design. 10 segment battery indicator, I already shown to you. IPX7 water resistance. You guys can submerge this speaker in 3 feet of water for up to 30 minutes. Nice. Waterproof. Nice. The speaker type is subwoofer. Beautiful. 360-degree rich, loud, and vibrant sound. Awesome. 20 plus hours of playtime. That's nice. 20 hours, 20 plus hours of playtime. And the charging time is only 3 hours. After charging 3 hours, enjoy 20 plus hours of playtime. So nice. The weight is only 1.5 laps. Tough body speaker. Tough body speaker. So nice. So good. Look, there is a grill in the back also, because this is 360-degree sound. The sound comes from the back and from the front, from both speakers, from both sides. So nice. So beautiful. Okay, let me turn on the speaker and check the performance of this Marshall Bluetooth speaker, Emberton Bluetooth speaker. Okay. Wow. Look, the battery indicator. This is Bluetooth. And the middle is so beautiful. Looks so beautiful. Multi-directional control knob. So beautiful. So beautiful. Okay, and it's time to listen to the music. Let me connect to my phone. Okay, and let's listen to the music and check the performance of this Emberton Bluetooth speaker, Marshall Emberton Bluetooth speaker. So I buy this Bluetooth speaker from Amazon. So right now the price in United States is $148. $148 on Amazon in United States. Okay, so let's check the performance of this Marshall Emberton Bluetooth speaker.
Hey yo, that's me, I run it like a track meet, a rap fiend, I set the bar high like an athlete. Step in the booth and sack on drop that 808, cause the vibe is dope and the beat is cracking, now it's getting laced. I'm sharp as a razor blade, I can blow your mind like JFK. I do what I want, you ain't gonna box me in like David Blaine. We get it poppin', homie, day and night. Got the party jumping, about to break the ice. Stay up on my grind, that's my way of life. I got tunnel vision, I'ma chase that ray of light. Stay up on my grind, that's my way of life. And when a Filipina tells me Malakita, I put two and two together like a ballerina. This music is more than a paycheck. Don't want to get the pay cause I make sense. I put in work till I'm brain dead. Yo, I spit the fast flows like a brain next, and the crowd goes wild. AM, mayhem. We get it poppin', homie, day and night. Got the party jumping, about to break the ice. Stay up on my grind, that's my way of life. I got tunnel vision, I'ma chase that ray of light.
Wow, so nice. What a rich, loud, and vibrant 360-degree sound. It's hard to beat this Emberton Bluetooth speaker, Marshall Emberton Bluetooth speaker. Wow, so good. The sound, the bass. Wow. Crispy clear, powerful sound. Wow, so nice. So again, the price of this Marshall Emberton Bluetooth speaker is $148 on Amazon in United States. So I like this speaker. This is must have speaker. Must have speaker. So lightweight, easy to carry, It's it's very like the tiny but powerful speaker. Blast performance. So if you guys like my video, please like the video, share the video, and subscribe my channel for motivation. Thank you. Bye bye.